We are gonna make a delicious ginger margarita right now. Stay tuned. I don't know about you, but I love a good margarita. This one has my homemade ginger simple syrup, which you can find the recipe below. Super simple, so let's get into it. All right, we're gonna make the glass rim. So I like to use sugar in my margaritas, and you can always use salt, but this is a little bit of sugar. I have some ginger powder. You can use maybe about like a 1/4 teaspoon, and some freshly ground pepper. And this is going to rim our glasses. Okay, mix that up. Boop, 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 boop. I'm going to take a lime. Rim our glasses. We have our shaker filled with ice. We are going to add some juice from half a lemon. I'm going to do juice from half a lime. Oh, I don't need that. Duh. Get all that lime juice in there. We're going to use an ounce of our ginger simple syrup. That's the star of the show. We are going to add 2.5 ounces of tequila. I like to use silver tequila. Okay, it's 2.5. An ounce of triple sec. You can also use obviously Cointreau, and about an ounce of soda water, seltzer. All right, give it a shake. Pour it over some ice. Garnish with some lime. And there you have it. All right, let's give it a try. That is so good. I love the spiciness of the ginger, adds a little kick to it, you know, versus your normal standard margarita. Oh, this is delicious. One more sip. The rim is so good. I love it. Ginger and salt and pepper and either sugar or salt. Delicious. This drink is going to go perfect with my Thai basil tacos, so you can check out that out in the other video below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.